4 years old. I am K2 student at Ramraj School. I like color pink and green. My favorite day of the week is Sunday. My birthday is on July 17. I want to be a doctor someday. My favorite thing to do in my vacant time is role playing. I like to study English because